How to add a location on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to add a location on Google Maps, simply launch the Google Maps application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here at the bottom you can see there are 4 different menus from Explore to You, Contribute and Business. So what you simply need to do is tap on Contribute. As you tap on Contribute, here you can see the option of Add Place. So just tap on Add Place, and as you tap on Add Place, you'll be able to land into a new page over here where you'll be able to see the option of place name. So you have to just mention the place name. So let me put it very randomly. Then select the category over here. If it's a business, then tap on the address over here by selecting the map location. And as you do that, you can select on where it is located within the certain range. And after that, you can add more details like phone, hours, website or photos to help Google verify this place, and then tap on submit and you'll be able to add a location on Google Maps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.